Hello, Sushi Kids! It's no WWE World Sushi. Here for everyone. Coming with no food review. So we got some pasta is my favorite is my favorite food. So those mixes because the sauce can mix with the noodles and mix the noodles make really saucy. There's mixes around. Alrighty. Let's get a little more of the mixes because I like to get that the sauce around my noodles. Also cheese. Cheese is so good. Alrighty. Now the main tips. Sushi Ya. That's good. Let's get Dino. Alrighty. So I was saying good to my channels because I don't have it winning. Because winning is just making food really when my mom cooks dinner, I said, ooh, I weighed this. I don't like that, but I think it's good and it's awesome. But yeah. So this week I don't know if it's NXT today, but if NXT actually starts at 8, but I do review on that or not. I don't know. On tomorrow is a fair review. And on Friday is just a review slash Friday Night SmackDown recap. And then Saturday is just a preview. So thank you very much for viewers, guys. You're my awesome sushi kings. Please smash that like button and leave a comment below in the comment section. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that notification button to see new videos I have. If you are using Scrabble, go to YouTube. Tap the KingSushi Andy Wagner and smash that subscribe button. And I'm not saying this. I have 152 subscribers now. But I need website to post second level post on YouTube channel. I know I have 152, but I need to more subscribers to get it. That's in millions. So I need more guys. And if you want, you can find me on Snapchat. But by the way, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I have to for you. Sushi, yeah!